How's it going, guys? This is Omar with Kudu Arms, and today I wanted to present to you the Kudu Arms SCK system, short for Straight Pull Conversion Kit. You know, bolt action rifles have been around for over 100 years, and the method of function has been the same without any improvement. The way a bolt action rifle functions is that you have to turn the bolt up, pull it back, push it up, and then turn it down. So that's 4 movements. And every time the user has to actuate the system, especially when looking through a scope, you have to leave the scope in order to run the firearm. So we've developed a product that completely bypasses that problem and doubles the reloading speed. So with this being said, Kudu Arms is proud to announce the SCK system, short for Straight Pull Conversion Kit. The SCK system allows the conversion of any bolt action rifle into a straight pull, effectively doubling the reloading speed. The SCK system includes a left-hand folding charging handle, which allows the use of the left hand in order to cycle the firearm. By maintaining the right hand on the grip and trigger, the SCK system ensures that the shooter maintains a continuous, uninterrupted line of sight, as well as doubling the reloading speed. In addition to this feature, the SCK system also includes a right-hand bolt handle, which allows the cycling of the firearm from the shoulder. The SCK system only adds about 400 grams of additional weight to the rifle and does not require any permanent modifications to the rifle itself. Simply remove the factory pick rail and install the proprietary pick rail that comes with the kit. That's all you need to do in order to convert a standard bolt action rifle into a straight pull action. The SCK system is proudly designed and made in Texas and is covered by a lifetime warranty. It's currently available for the Remington 700 family of rifles in both long and short actions. In addition to that, it will soon be available for other families of rifles within the bolt action world. Thank you.